But we're very hopeful that we'll get our season away in full, hopefully on time. Of course, we're putting contingencies in place.
Thank you, Sam. Stephen Marshall, South Australia's Premier, is speaking. Let's have a listen.
So that they develop the expertise to operate with these critical care beds. Now, I hope that we never ever use this additional bed capacity, nor these nurses. But the reality is we have to be prepared, and we're not leaving one stone unturned in our preparation for the peak of the coronavirus. I'm now going to ask Lindsay Goff whether she will come forward and perhaps give us a little bit more detail about the plans at the Women's and Children's Hospital to be as prepared as we possibly can.
Thank you, Premier. At the Women's and Children's Health Network, we've spent the past few weeks doing detailed planning to make sure that we're in the best position as possible to deal with the pandemic as it escalates. As you've heard from the Premier, this includes additional capacity at the hospital, 3 high dependency unit beds which are in close proximity to our paediatric intensive care unit, and they're for paediatrics, plus another 10 beds that can be flexed up to intensive care unit beds that can be for adults or paediatrics. We've been working very hard to make sure that this capacity is online, and as the Premier has said, we've upskilled and are upskilling 80 additional nursing staff in ICU skills, so that if we do need that capacity, we're able to staff them with very skilled staff. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our consumers and clients who have